Hi everyone! Today I'm going to be cooking chicken a la king using these gorgeous granite pots I got from Homeworth. Look at the amazing color I got on the bottom of these chicken thighs after just a few minutes of frying. That's because these pots are made from an aluminium base and then coated in layers and layers of granite, which besides making it non-stick, gives you amazing heat distribution. You can see there are no cold spots at the bottom and everything can cook at the same time. After frying my chicken, I just added some garlic, mushrooms, parsley, and some lemon juice to the pot and let that fry for a bit. These pots are also oven proof, so if you need to brown your meat and then pop it in the oven to cook for a few hours, you can do that. Here I just added some cream to the sauce and I let that cook as well. These pots are also extremely affordable. The entire range is available at homeworth.co.za and they come in a wide range of sizes. Here I just add my cooked chicken as well as the juices back into the sauce and I let that simmer for a few minutes. These pots truly are phenomenal. Besides being so affordable, great quality, oven proof, non-stick, and beautiful to look at, they just give you such a great cooking experience every single time you use it. Here I'm just finishing off my meal. I garnished with some parsley and I ended up serving this with rice. I give these pots 10 out of 10, 5 stars.